Hi, members of the Metro Tex Association of Realtors. I'm Mark Leader, and I wanted to take a moment to say hello and introduce myself. I am so excited about joining you in Dallas and sharing with you some amazing sales skills that you can apply to your business immediately. We all hear trainers and coaches talk about being great salespeople, but I want to actually give you the content to empower you to do exactly that. You see, I started my real estate career 27 years ago now, at the tender age of 19. During the 10 years that I sold real estate, I listed over 1,000 properties for sale and averaged 93 closings a year for 8 years consecutively, without the help of a personal assistant or team. Then 12 years ago, I created the Leader's Choice program with over 25,000 graduates to date, averaging an increase in business of more than 250%. The Leader's Choice program has been offered by every major real estate organization across North America and 70 of the top 100 independents. To date, my speaking career, I've conducted over 1,500 presentations and spoken at almost every major real estate conference, including for the National Association of Realtors on 3 different occasions. On August 29th, 30th, and 31st, I'll be launching a new program just for the Dallas Metro Tex Association of Realtors. The program will be a 3-day boot camp I'm calling Masters. Why Masters? Because by the time I am finished with you, you will have mastered 6 areas of the real estate business. The first area we're going to work on is building inventory. I'm going to teach you 14 specific ways to build a referral and relationship-based business. The second area is going to be time management, to make sure you're doing those high-income producing activities first. The third area is going to be attitude control. No matter what this crazy business throws at us, you will always go into it with the cup being half full, never being half empty. The fourth area will be handling objections. I'm going to teach you how to handle every objection possible, including, just to name a few, when they say to you that they have a friend in the business. They want to interview 3 realtors. They want you to do it for less commission, or they want to wait till spring, summer, winter, or fall, and many others. The fifth area we're going to work on is marketing. And I'm going to show you why, in today's relationship-based world, why it's more important to focus your marketing on 500 relationships in your community and have those relationships go deep instead of 5,000 that are very shallow. And finally, the 6th area we're going to work on is writing the contract quicker. In other words, how to separate the looker from the buyer and have them sign a contract with you today.
The Leader's Choice program has helped me implement a valuable support system. Mark is the best of the best.
The Leader's Choice program has helped me work smarter, not harder.
Since I've started the Leader's Choice program, my production has increased about 30%, and once again I'd like to say thanks to the Leader's Choice program.
This is the second time I've taken the Leader's Choice program. It helped me tremendously, and I believe it would help any realtor in North Texas.
Leader's Choice has given me a clear target of my production numbers.
I'm new to the business, and thanks to the Leader's Choice program, I was able to get my first listing.
Thanks to the Leader's Choice program, I've picked up 6 listings in the last 6 weeks. I think that's pretty impressive, don't you?
I hope you'll join me on August 29th, 30th, and 31st for your very special Masters Real Estate Boot Camp. Until then, I wish you the very best, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Oh, one last thing I almost forgot. Everything I do has a 100% money-back guarantee. If after the 3 days you do not feel that Masters was a good investment for your career, then I will be more than happy to return 100% of the course fee. So what have you got to lose? Well, the answer is only thousands if you do not attend. See you in Dallas.